I know a hot topic of conversation in a lot of schools around the country is this idea of retaking assessments like tests and quizzes. The school I work at, we have students retake tests, but we're not mandated to have them retake quizzes. So I typically don't, just because it can amount to a lot of work. I typically have 2 to 3 quizzes a unit. So if I were to go and make that and grade it once and then have to regrade all the quiz corrections or the retakes, it would mount up to be a lot of time. In this particular case, I found it necessary to not do a retake, but have them do quiz corrections, because this is more of a skill. It wasn't a memorization, and I felt that the students would benefit a lot from going through the process of seeing where they made errors in the quiz and trying to think through it and work through it. And it really did help out quite a bit. As you could see in one of the screencasts I did, I had a student that did quiz corrections, and she ended up getting a perfect score, while the other one probably could have went and looked at some of her notes a little bit more, and I think got a little bit more out of it. But overall, this worked out very well in this circumstance to allow students to read or do quiz corrections. So I would benefit, I think students would benefit when it comes to, instead of just a memorization type quiz, but more of a skill-based math type quiz, to be able to do quiz corrections.